You ever wondered how to create a heat map in Tableau but just couldn't quite figure it out? Well, today we're going to talk about that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to drop our product name on here, but we're going to add the first, say, we're going to filter this by profit. So by top, and we're going to filter it by profit to kind of get our category here. And then we're going to use the top, say 25. Click OK, and that's going to give us the top 25 products. And then what we can do is we can then bring in the profit measurement, drop it right here. But you notice it's kind of a little bland. You can't really see a lot. So the next thing that you can do is you can drop it to color. I'll give you a nice little heat map, continuous value. And then what you can do next, this is how you get the highlight table or the heat map, is you go over here and you hit square. And then obviously you can do different things with this, kind of pivot it around, see how it works. Or maybe you want to go by region. So that's a way to do it. It's going to show, okay, maybe a little bit better how you can see this along those lines. You can even do entire view up here, fit to height, fit to width, or standard. You can also have the ability to kind of draw and make it look a little bit better. So let's say you wanted to go over here, format, you can add some different stuff to that too, depending on what your goals are. Maybe you don't want to use decimals, or maybe you want to use decimals. You can use that in your heat map. That's the gist of it, guys. That's going to give you that highlight tables, what Tableau calls it. There's heat maps in Excel. That kind of gives you an idea of how to set this up. So you can kind of sort through it, do different things, and we'll give you that highlight table that you guys have been wanting probably, and what you came to this video for. Leave a like if this is helpful, guys, and I'll see you on the flip side.